Amanzi alomfula enze umonakalo omkhulu kulendawo eyimijondolo ngesonto ledlule. Ezinye izakhamuzi ezifana noAshley Joseph zabona kungcono zishiye amakhaya azo ngenxa yokwesaba.
I don't have home clothes, don't have home, anything is bad here, and you see now it's tomorrow, and then I'm so grateful for give us for everyone who came.
Kukhishwe amakhulu abantu eyindlini kulendawo ngenxa yokwenyuka kwezinga lamanzi.
What we have experienced is actually rescuing of animals that were still trapped in enclosures. For instance, even here in Rawsonville, we had animals that were trapped in the kraals and also in enclosures like pigs and cows, etc. But we managed to save them, and unfortunately, as you know, there are some of those animals we can't always get to because of the strength of the river. In other parts, some roads have been closed, and there's still a road closed in the Doorings that washed away. But our road section is busy with repairs there, and hopefully it will be opened soon. But also in Toes River, there has been areas that has been hit by the flood, but fortunately they were just local evacuations that taken place there. But there were no loss of life in that area, and also here in Spookiesdorp there was no loss of life in this area.
Labo abaphephele esontweni lomphakathi bathi balahlekelwe impahla yabo. Inhlangano ezingenzi inzuzo zinikele ngokudla, ingubo zongibatha kulabo abakhahlamezekile.